This is the Coast SLAYER, an innovative flashlight designed for those who seek reliability and versatility in their lighting solutions. With the integrated Zithian rechargeable power system, this flashlight not only delivers exceptional performance, but also offers significant cost savings over time, making it an eco-friendly choice for everyday use. Equipped with 5 brightness modes, the SLAYER allows you to easily adjust the intensity of the light to fit any situation, seamlessly transitioning thanks to its built-in memory feature. Whether you need a soft glow for close-up tasks or a powerful beam for illuminating distant objects, the dual optic system ensures you get the right beam with its flood and spot options. Designed for the modern adventurer, the Coast SLAYER boasts a removable pocket clip for easy carrying and an IP67 rating, making it dust resistant and fully waterproof. This means you can rely it to perform in harsh conditions, withstanding full submersion in water up to 1 meter. The SLAYER has 2 rubberized buttons. The top button will cycle through the 4 different modes: flood medium, flood high, spot, and flood low. In any light mode, you can hold the button down to access the turbo mode. The second button is used to set your desired go-to brightness. Simply cycle to the light mode you'd like to remember and do a long hold on the second button until it blinks 3 times. Now the second button will always return to that set brightness. You can shine bright through any challenge with the Coast SLAYER, the flashlight that meets the demands of your lifestyle.